Basically, Husqvarna Automower consists of three parts: the mower, the charging station, and the boundary wire. Husqvarna Automower works inside an electronic fence created by a loop signal sent from the charging station through the boundary wire. When Automower comes close to the wire, it detects the signal, stops, and continues in another direction. Husqvarna Automower works fully automatically. When batteries run low, it has several ways that it will ensure it always returns to the charging station. It can follow a radio signal sent from the charging station. It can follow a guide wire. And it can also follow the boundary wire back to the charging station. When the battery is fully charged, it returns to work without your intervention. A robotic mower requires time for installation. However, this is a one-time effort that will give you a more or less maintenance-free lawn for many years. You can do the installation yourself, but the most convenient way is to let your dealer do the job. They use a cost-effective tool that places the wire a few inches underground and have experience in all kinds of challenges from other gardens. The boundary wire is laid around the garden, ensuring that Automower will never work outside this area. The wire can also be placed around flower beds and other areas you don't want to be mowed. When you place the wires close to each other on the way back, the signal is cancelled and the robotic mower will pass. Then you have created what we call islands. Husqvarna Automower has a collision sensor. When it hits something, it will stop and change direction. As it is designed to regularly handle gentle bumps, obstacles like trees and walls don't always need to be fenced by the boundary wire. If you have remote areas with narrow passages, guide wires can be laid there to guide the robotic mower through the passage. Some models are also assisted by GPS navigation.